Hello, hello! Today we are learning shapes and colors. This is a triangle. This is a circle. This one is an arrow. This is a rectangle. This is a hexagon. And this is a triangle. Alright, so now it's time to color our shapes. For the triangle, we are taking green color. And this is a green triangle. For the circle, we are taking blue color. For an arrow, I am taking yellow color. And this is a yellow arrow. For the rectangle, I am taking orange. And this is an orange rectangle. For the hexagon, I am taking pink. And I am making a pink hexagon. This is a pink hexagon. And for the triangle, I'm taking yellow, the same as for the arrow. And this is a yellow triangle. So we have here green triangle, we have blue circle, yellow arrow, orange rectangle, pink hexagon, and yellow triangle.